Good morning, ma'am and sir. Let us assist you to our lobby. So this way po. Welcome to the Grand Newport Hotel. Good day, ma'am and sir. How may I help you? Would you like to make a reservation?
Yes, we would like to make a reservation by the 3rd of September. Do you have any vacancies?
Yes, ma'am. We have several rooms available for the particular weekend. And what is the exact date of your arrival?
The 24th day of September.
And how long will you be staying?
We'll be staying for 2 nights.
How many people is the reservation for?
There will be adults.
And would you like a room with twin bed or double bed?
Double bed.
Great. And would you prefer a room with a view of the ocean?
If that type of room is available, I would love to have an ocean view. What do you think is the exact amount or the exact rate of the room?
So, ma'am, sir, your room is 5,000 pesos per night. And in what name will be the reservation be listed under?
Under my name, Brendan.
Could you spell your last name for me, please?
B-A-L-E-R-A-N-A.
And is there a phone number can be contacted?
Yes, my cell phone number is 0970-60-20-198.
Great! Now, I'll need your credit card information to reserve the room for you. What type of card is it?
It is a Visa card and the account number is
363-840-940.
Alright, Mr. and Mrs. Valderrama. Your reservation has been made for the 24th of September for a room with a double bed and a view of the ocean. Check-in is at 2 o'clock. If you have any questions, please do not hesitate to call us.
Okay, thank you. We'll be getting in touch.
My pleasure. We'll see you in September, Mr. and Mrs. Valderrama. Have a nice day.